Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 2nd, 2022. We're going to talk about gold today and give you all the price prediction update. You guys can see that I did a price prediction in gold, and the market thus far has been trending a little bit more bullish. Yeah, the market has been a little bit more stronger in the sense of what I was talking about back then. Now, the last time I did a video for gold was on February the 25th, right? You guys can see it. Times has changed. We got a little bit more information, so I felt like I wanted to come in and update my community as to what I'm looking forward to in terms of where gold is going to go. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, then go ahead, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. Now, let's talk about this first. Let's talk about the price performance into the market in gold. You guys can see that the increase in volume, okay, as well as the very wide price bar spreads, tells us that the market became a little bit more involved considering what's been going on in the world. All right, people began to buy more gold while more people began to sell it, which is why the price in gold maintained its elevation against what I really was anticipating. Right, the market was stronger. I get it. The market was a lot stronger when I initially did my price prediction, but now you guys can see that price currently is coming into our price target arena, right? So even though I expected the price in gold to go down then, I want you all to see that price still was pretty much rejected at the area that we identified, right? We already identified where the rejection area was. Now I should have increased it up there to 2000 to make more people feel comfortable, but I was around the area that I knew that selling was going to begin in gold. This was the high. Gold almost made all-time highs off of this chart. Now, I don't know how far this goes back, but looking at this chart, when it was trading on this exchange, Onanda, it almost made all-time highs from that perspective. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go back to the daily. So we're in a downtrend. All right, we are now trading well below where we established restriction. That confirms the downtrend, and also the market in gold is making lower highs, which is indicative of a downtrend. Right, we're making lower highs right now. So what do you think we need to be thinking right now? And what do you think? Should we be bearish right now? Should we be bullish? My intention is going to be here though, right? I'm already established the overall sentiment of gold, which is pretty much trading sideways, right? That's the overall gist of this market in gold. We've been trading like this since 2020. Okay, so we're not necessarily in a bullish market per se. It's just a tradable market. Now, I want us to look at this though, because in order for us to really get that bullishness into the market in gold, we need to see the buyers hold this level. Okay, within this consolidation of trading range, we need to see the buyers of gold proper price here. Okay, they need to do it in order for us to really get this long-term objective of bulls being in control, of buyers being in control. They need to hold that trend, because if they do, then it tells us that, yeah, this is still a bullish market, even though we're seeing price initially come down right now. So I'm going to hold that line there because I want to use it as a reference point as to, okay, where we need to see the buyers. Because if so, we know that this is a good buy point. Anywhere that price comes and trades on this trend and we see buyers step in, buyers got to step in. Just because I identify where we want to see buyers doesn't mean that they're going to show up. It doesn't mean that. So let's go ahead and look at this on the weekly chart first. Okay, because you guys can see the last 2 weeks we've seen the price in gold begin to descend and go down. What about on 2 weeks? So you guys can still tell that, yeah, the price in gold over the last couple of 2 weekly price bars is not massively bullish. It's not. 3 weeks. So I'm here to tell you right now, in the next 4 days and 10 hours, if this price bar, this current 3 weekly price bar in gold looks the way it looks now, Yeah, we're going to continue to go lower. And us breaking this ascending line that I've created, it had just increased the ever more. If this looks the way it looks in the next 4 days and 10 hours, this price bar. 5 weeks. Monthly time frame. The last 2 months, there's more selling went on into the market in gold. The last 2 months, which follows into the month of May right now. So are we still weak in gold? Yes, we are. Can we still see price go down? Yes, we can. And it's going to bring us to this level here, 1850. So I'm going to add on additional price targets. I'm not sure what I said originally, but 1850 will have to be first. 1836 will be second to this trend. And then the third area is going to be around $1,800. But generally, there's still a lot of weakness here. Yeah, it is. So I'm not bullish right now. I'm still anticipating that the price in gold is going to go down. It might want to go down to 1850, 1825, and just hit that line, that ascending line, and prop up and price begin to trend higher. Okay. But either way, the market is reflecting that it's a little bit more weaker than it is stronger right now. So I wanted to come in and give you all this update. I wanted to come in and provide you this information so that you and I won't be confused, scared, nervous about why price in gold is going down. I'm dropping a heads up right now. So from what I talked about back in February, it's still the same. Price is still weak. So now I'm going to give y'all the opportunity, right? I don't want you all to think that I'm the only one that wants to come through and drop price, because I also want to know what you all think, right? What do you all see from the chart perspective as to where gold is trying to go? Are we trying to go up? Are we trying to go down? All you have to do is look at the price chart, interpret it, see what is it saying to you, and get in position. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. It's going to remain the same. The only thing I added was this ascending line to the chart. So now it's your turn though. Go ahead and give me a price prediction, your price target into the market in gold. Are we going to go up in the long term? Are we going to continue to trade in this trading range since we've been in since 2020? What are you seeing? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.